female stars have their own line of makeup. I like Holly Bergen and Brett Summers is starting her own
There
line.
you go.
It's
Go,
called
girl, you got it?
I'm never gonna take Adam to your house on Halloween again.
She loves her treats. Yeah, now she's all excited.
Here, can I see the
As Moses prepareth to part the Red Sea.
Oh, Buzzy, we can give Buzzy one. Buzzy want a treat?
He weareth a...
Huh? Thank you. Good boy.
A what?
Bandit, would you like one of these treats?
You can't wear it.
Can I have a kiss?
What did you think I said?
Good boy. Can I have one more kiss?
You wear it, I thought you
Good boy. You want your treat?
It appears that Moses
He's not gonna want that one.
How come you guys write these things like
Good
this?
boy,
It
Bandit.
appears that Moses doth not think this trick will work.
I like that. I like that.
Honey, you know what you hold it
He was about to cross the Red Sea, and he says, well, listen, he doesn't think he's going to be able to cross the Red Sea because he's
dropped
wearing a blank.
a tuxedo.
He's hiding behind his toy shy. He drops it when you come up with the camera. Here, Buzz.
Did the best I could, folks. And I hope
Thank
you
you.
do the best you can for her. Brett?
Matisse has it all over her beak. There she goes. She's a good girl, huh, Matisse?
Okay, that's the answer. That's one of the good ones, Gary.
Her other one. Grab the other one. She loves
I
those.
said Aquilon. Aquilon, that's another good one. So we got two good ones. There's you got another good one, Richard?
And I wish I had tuxedo.
But they dropped the dogs clean up.
Biggest laugh on the show.
Where did you get it from? Where did you get that answer from now?
I couldn't even understand the first part of the question.
You remember the story in the Bible about Moses going smoked and he parted the Red Sea, and then he led his people through the bottom of the sea and he walked to safety. And then when they got to safety, the waters came together again, and the enemies were in the path and they all drowned. Remember that story? Well, you don't remember the story. I feel like I've been in Sunday school.
He wants to get away from the camera.
Next Sunday, the sermon will be about no.
Also, Moses said to Ramesses, let my people go.
Right.
Ramesses said, haven't seen your people.
Okay. Now, where are we here? Adrian, you'll take it. Hey, Adrian says now you need 3 to tie, 4 to win. The garbage man said,
He said, I haven't seen your people.
This is, hey, things have gotten pretty rough for the people on my route. Nowadays, they don't give me their garbage. I have to blanket. That's another winner. Do the writers go home early? After the
I'd
last
like to
question.
see all the writers in jeans dressing room after the show, please.
The garbage man said, Adrian, for you. The garbage man said, things have gotten pretty rough for the people on my route. Nowadays, they don't give me their garbage. I have to blanket. Ready? Oh, wait. Oh. No, you can't change. Now, come on now. Stop that. Okay. What?
See how quickly I act?
All right, you can change it because the ding-a-ling is not finished yet.
Not the ding-a-ling, the dum-dum.
The dum-dum is not finished. Go ahead, just body. Yes.
I have a question from last week's show I'd like to change. Is that okay?
Don't give me the garbage. I have to blanket.
I have to.
Things have gotten pretty rough. Thy people
On my route.
Beware of dumb boys.
I have to breath. This is a recording.
Okay, there she's finished. Now we call on Adrienne. The garbage man said, things have gotten pretty rough for the people on my route. Nowadays, they don't give me their garbage. I have to blanket.
Steal it.